Well, we said the race is not for the swift.
Definitely.
So don't I've been saying this for the longest while before everything. Because we know so we are coming up, so we are coming down. You see me? So that's like a show how far the loyalty can go. Because everything good, you know. So what got me when times get bad?
Still can't stop with that. Yeah, man, I get a style, man. Quick and fast thing, you know.
Quick.
Yeah, man, quick and fast thing. So, yeah, go see the next level and I'm done chop up the season them and hold past the bow style, you know.
Hold the bow style.
Some plant them there. Yellow heart plant, they must know. Them there.
So yellow,
good look.
Man, say yellow heart plant and around to the ocean. The yellow heart plant.
You must see them there. Yellow heart plant, man. You don't know what to get, you know.
Yellow heart plant. Not yellow heart breadfruit, it's yellow heart.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
to the burden. So we said dream team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
Clean team.
One team.
Anyway you take it in, it's all one team, you know. It's only the real team. So before we have difficulties, so I want to thank Miss E for these two lovely barrels with all these gifts and everything here for individuals and feet. So we thank Miss E for the 2 barrels. Miss E from the US. We get a round of applause. Yeah, so Miss E sent 2 barrels, so you know so we can do the right thing and put it to use over see what's fit. So then again now we share up some of the members them and everything so everybody can get something to go home with. You know, so we give thanks. So we can hold up on the bag and just stand with the bag them there.
Beautiful. Holy patams mistake.
Alright, so if you don't really appreciate Miss E, man, clap her again, man. And so that's said and done. We have some other stuff here we're going to give out to the people them in the community. And we got shoes and things here as well too for the kids them. We got things lined off on the counter all the way we can give out to the people in the community. All courtesy of Miss E. So we have books and everything here. So we have some things as well too was in the barrel from Miss E. Right, so the race is not for the swift. So I've been saying this for the longest while before everything. Because we know so we are coming up, so we are coming down. You see me? So that's like a show how far the loyalty can go. Because everything good, you know. So what happens when times get bad?
Still can't stop.
I know some fit, you know, I have to endure this, you know. I have to endure it. You see me? I have to continue and carry this stuff because I'm tell you, you know, because if it's something for me, if I do my purpose, I have to do it. You know? So as I say, some will fade and some will stand firm. But I know say I stand firm right through. You know? The one time I feel like so well, that is it. But I have no giving up or giving up right now. So I know say we face the good time, so we have to face the bad times. The ups and the downs. So it's part of life. So we can't escape it. You know? That's why I say, we're not fit. You see me, I say, you can't endure it because remember, you know, the road is not easy. You know, it's a marathon. A long time, but how long now I say this thing? How long now, Baja? A long time.
Journey just started.
Alright. You think it the start then? No man, it's only a preview when we even start build a house of ginger and everything. The journey never start yet. I know it start, you know, because we go through the rough times. And we have the work for go take on now after all the rough times now. We still go through the rough times same way. So if believe it or not, yeah, we still there same way, stand strong with a strong heart. You know, only if the heart is willing. So we give things. So we say dream team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
Young tradesmen are there today. And you have Joe, you have Kedan, you know, a couple members not here. And Light Parks not there same way. So but we there same way we are represent for each other. So that's how we know it. So Baja wasn't here, you know, people been asking where's Baja, because you know Baja have to work same up on the side. You know, him have to do, but so said, so done. Baja have time with him say him can spare, you know, but we can start something, get the foundation, then kick off again.
Whoa.
And Baja there can explain too, you know, for him himself. Done it earlier, but the video never kicked, so now it's kicking.
Okay.
So Baja can let them know, cause tell them when everything will kick off again.
Yeah, as I said before, you know, take a time out with everything that take place in the community. Kind of put a damp up on things. And with myself, you don't know, so I have to go out there and push through my thing at the same time. But at the same time, the work out, we're doing side of the community. People and the viewers them always look up to it and love to see it. So we can't wait until the dust settles before we start something. Because if we wait for that, it will never happen.
Never happen.
You understand? Because the people them just not see themselves. So we have to try to see ourselves. So them can look on. So we out to start back something. Make the viewers them have something to look at. At the same time the youth them have the minds put towards something.
Yeah. So we can get them mind on something, you know, while the negative is happening. Make them go on to something that's positive.
Take a toll on a lot of the youth them, you know, because they get up in the morning and there's nothing to do. No work. And at least when we used to be around, everybody look towards the next morning for put the minds towards something and do something meaningful.
Yeah.
So it's a loss of hope.
Yeah, true.
Drain most of the youth them, because when I look at most of the youth them, facial expression and even them body language, it tell upon them now. Say them tired of where really take place. So they need to put their mind towards something. You can take off the mindset. Focus on something more positive, you know?
Yeah,
and hopefully
true.
we want to start with Dana.
Yeah.
You understand? She in her own situation where it's not really nice right now and sleepless night.
Yeah.
So I like she and her kids them they kind of get some comfort.
Yeah.
So they have put in a little time, man. They can't put in.
Alright then. Give thanks. So well done, teacher. Well done, teacher. And then again, as I say, we can't stop thank Miss A. You know, the only Miss A. Yeah. For these two lovely barrels, you know, with all of these gifts and yeah, so we say dream team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
Clean team.
One team.
It's the only real team, you know, and dream team. So the journey shall continue. You know, Miss E.
Miss E.
Miss E.
Miss E.
Yeah.
I'm have to get the C, you know. Yeah, man, you see me? Yeah. Sam said something on, no? Miss A, Miss B, Miss C. What?
Yeah.
Miss, still not, man. Enough love and respect, you know.
Alright then, I give thanks.
Yeah, man, I say love and blessing and thanks. Love
Yeah,
to spread the love upon us. You know, this just help to motivate us.
Yeah.
To move forward.
Yeah.
And put some energy back in the thing again. Understand? Because the community lose little like
Fast and speed up.
Yeah.
That's why generate back the current there.
Yes, man.
Pump it up.
Pump it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright then, love and love alone.
Yeah.
And it alone we are
Little
spread.
alone stands out.
Yeah, man.
It alone stands alone.
Only for love and love. Jackson, Jackson. I don't get Jackson a dance, but not see everything, man. Yeah,
Yeah.
man, Jackson, you know. Rasta Jackson. Jackson walk, you know.
Remember, we only have one life to live and we have to live it while we can. You know, and live it with love. So that's the only thing. And as I said, we did said it before on the earlier video, but it never take because of the sound. I want to say it's really sad to say that Raquel, you know, the mother with the HIV, you know, passed away. So it's really sad. I really touch a lot because I see her yesterday, you know, and that happened. So one of them one. So we never know what tomorrow may bring. So if we can continue to live and live with love alone, you know, and continue the right thing, you never know. Because we never know what tomorrow may bring. Today we're there today, tomorrow, different thing. So we give thanks to the Almighty for keep us going out, see me, and we're coming in same way. So we give thanks. So we'll take on back the road and see what we can go and dream team, one team. So we say the only real team is the only real team is the only real team.
Just a say to Raquel family, the dream team just send out all of them condolence to them. So we just go and keep safe and just guide the little girl and show her the right
strong,
thing.
you know?
And just make she be strong.
You know, so they are support the family.
Same way.
You know, and she love same way. So I hope them look out for the little one now and give that little one the attention she really need. Yeah, the love.
Yeah.
She need it right now. I need that strength there. So I hope the people in that is there. We used to take care of the mother. Pour that love inside that little one right now.
Yeah.
Be that mother for her. You understand? That's why I need it.
Sure.
Yeah.
True. Alright then, well said. So Dream Team condolences goes out to my family. So we give thanks. So we just take on the road and continue the journey now. As I will see it. Wait, so ready, Dream Team?
Yeah.
The marathon are going a long time, you know. I'm see some tired legs, you know. Some tired legs and some have muscle contract.
Some man get unfit.
Some man get unfit. You know, so we're gonna start. Active.
Max. Bagua Max.
Wow, chef. So bread for them are fried already.
Yeah, man. Up and run the foot and, you know, get a style with some, you know. Mackerel, you know.
You understand the hero, that's it, you understand.
Yeah, man, hero, you know.
You say yellow heart.
Yeah, man, yellow heart. You have yellow and we have white heart. I want a white heart, you know. I want a white heart, you know.
How do you want that white heart?
Yeah, man. I want a full white. The yellow heart, them, oh, watch it. Yeah, see the, you know. Yeah. See the sunshine night.
See,
yeah, man.
So this is the white heart.
Yeah, man, the white heart, them, you know. Yeah, man. Come on here. White heart breadfruit, them, you know. If I want to cut them, I see the living white. The yellow heart, you just see yellow, you know.
But I want to look yellow to me though, wow, chef. Sure, you know,
What are them a yellow?
What am I yellow heart though?
Yeah, man, I want
Wow, chef, man, I want yellow, man.
Yeah,
But if I look like you can't see the white heart. Why you have white heart, then you come on?
No, man.
Chop.
I try a
This
job.
is gonna look better.
Oh.
This is if you notice it. Then the butter, man.
Yeah.
Then the now
Everything look yellow to me, man. Wow, man.
Yeah,
Can you see? Wow.
So change the color, you can drop it, it look different, you know? Oh, so we have yellow heart, I'll be a yellow heart then.
Yeah. And what do you see? A fry planting.
Yeah, man, fried plant, you know? Yeah, man. Spaniard, them.
Yellow like the sun.
Yeah, man.
Oh, she say, yeah, yellow heart and white heart, you know?
Yeah, man. Fried plant, you know, cause, you know, Columbus love fried plant, you know, them time there, you know? Spaniard, them, you know?
Yeah.
Really, man, you know? So, I give them Jamaica style. Real. I change it up right now because we too much of the Spaniard style, you know?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, man, so. Done with the breadfruit them when I was so deal with them, you know?
Oh.
Yeah, man. We done with the breadfruit them. You have to look on the side, you have to see the mackerel on the side, and it's scallion, onion, tomato, pepper, everything cut up on the side. And I say, yeah, man, so.
Today you fry some breadfruit and mackerel.
Mackerel. Yeah, man, ghetto style, mackerel and ghetto style, you know. I've done the mackerel and chicken back. I tell you.
Where would I go?
Quick and fast. Yeah, like chicken, you know. Yeah, man, but the mackerel to me, yeah, man, ghetto style, man, quick and fast thing, you know.
Quick.
Yeah, man, quick and fast thing, so. Yeah, go see the next level and I'm done chop up the seasoning them, man. Holy past the bow style, you know.
Holy bow style.
Some plant in there. Yellow heart plant, you must know. In there.
So yellow.
Good look.
Man, say yellow heart plant and around to the ocean. Man, yellow heart plant.
You must see them here. Yellow heart plant, man. Because you don't know, you forget, you know.
Yellow heart plant. Not yellow heart breadfruit, it's yellow heart plant.
Yellow heart plant, because you have two different type of plant.
Yeah.
You have the short one, you have the long one.
So that's different now from the yellow heart, you know?
Yeah.
And it's two different types, you know?
You have the short one, you have the long one. So the long one, this will work off for the yellow heart, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, so the long one have the yellow heart.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
And short one have the white heart.
The white heart, they cut it so you look at white. Not a seed in it, you know. So the yellow heart, you less seed they look on the night, less, you know. Yeah, man.
Boy, every day you learn something new from the ocean.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that's me I say.
Every day you learn something new from the ocean.
Whoa, the mackerel. Whoa, chop mackerel.
Yeah, what was the difference with the mackerel now?
Oh, they see the cup and throw the cup black pepper and look up, you know?
Yeah, like how you have grace mackerel and you have Lasco. And what else?
The best mackerel.
Yeah, which one?
Caribbean chives.
Caribbean chives?
Yeah.
No, I'm not work with the Caribbean
No,
chives.
let's know about
No, man, no, you have a choke. Grace and the Lasco, my favorite them, especially the Lasco.
Yeah.
Lasco come more junky, you know?
Yeah. Chunky. Chunky, man.
Junky, how we want to call it, you know?
Cold teeth.
More, you know? No fun go 5 or 10 minutes time.
10 minutes time.
10 minutes time, we give it back, so I get the season line up and the thing, you know? So I get the bird food out of the way, and the plant out of the way, so we can like the mackerel and the... Whoa! Whoa! Man, you see me I say? Whoa! Yeah, man.
Yeah, there. Whoa. Are the colors? This see what that's the colors?
Colors there!
Colors! Colors!
Alright, you know?
Colorful, man.
Oh, colorful! Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. What the man?
No, I bought this today, bro.
Are you bought this today?
Yeah, 2 of them suit here. Yeah.
Colors is out and
Full view, innit?
Full view.
Yeah. So, how is my donors them doing over there?
Ask them now.
Oh, donors, how you doing?
Yeah.
Fine, innit?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Why?
You know?
Speak for them. So each time you talk, you answer for them.
Okay, yes, donors, every day, man, I'm talk about
Yeah.
night, day, morning. You can't stop talking about.
So you miss me in it, say.
You get what I'm saying?
Ask them, you miss me in it.
Oh my gosh. You see that woman at the airport? Oh, anybody come in who watch me on the program from them see me loud screaming. Oh, first thing them dream with, donors, if I'm still chucking off in the big jacuzzi. Can't stop.
That's
Can't stop.
the moment I chuck, the water supposed to come out of the jacuzzi bed.
So what you say about this out? It slapped it away.
Oh, the outfit?
The outfit.
Alright, let's ask the viewers and the donors then. See there?
Wow.
Colors new outfit. Say my ask if it's slap away. Say slapped away?
Slapped it away.
Slapped it away.
Ah.
My correction.
Wow.
It's slapped it away.
Okay. And the slippers is too.
Slapped it away.
Oh my gosh.
It well slapped it away.
Oh.
All the colors with colors.
Yo, it's today after loan shower rain, you know? Yeah. Loan shower rain, bruh. I'm sure you say, yeah, Kino, man.
You know, so why they try to put on colored clothes and too much bees rush
Oh
me.
my gosh.
You never take it off.
Must, yeah.
So how you do it? How you do it?
Why? I can't put question. Yeah, for real. Even all people at the airport ask me how I do it.
Of course. That amount of bees with the rush me and tell you boy colors. You forget.
Alright, so when I go to the airport, Kino, from the very moment me touch downtown,
Yeah.
run with it 98 buses,
Yeah.
take you to the airport.
Yeah.
People who know me from Port Royal, it's like when the bus arrive, the first thing they say to me, Colors, please make we go in first. Because if we're going to make you go in first, the amount of bees.
Well,
So I say, alright, we're going to go on in.
I'm lock the door by your outside and the bees.
So when I'm in the bus, you see, when the bus not come yet, gosh, the eyes.
Low and
Donors, why? I don't know what to tell you. I can't stop talking about you guys. Yeah, and big up Love Bay Station too.
Wow.
Yeah, Love
Big
Bay.
up the Love Bay
Can't forget about them
Station.
people in either, man.
No.
Yeah, man, donors, love you know. Can't stop talking about no car. Right now, I want to make the boss living in
Style.
style. How we say fashion and style, innit?
You know, colors with style.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Kino, nobody don't call me Juki no more now.
No.
Plus Jam.
No.
If you ain't saying colors now, you ain't saying nothing.
Nothing.
Don't you
Nothing.
donors?
Of course, because that's why them say colors.
Juki Jam outdated right now, bro. Yeah, if you say Juki Jam and me I call, because I ain't gonna answer, bro. You have to say colors. You get what
Oh,
I'm saying, baby
shit.
mother?
Shit.
Excuse me.
Where you get your picture for your socks?
Oh, the socks.
Yeah, where you get your picture? Now your picture that? Big favor you.
Big man. You the easy, you the baby mother. Yeah, Kino, man. Say everything.
Yeah, man.
So, what I'm saying, when I Malta, you ain't gonna want them to drink.
Why you buy the donuts them a drink?
They're too far to get it, bro.
So tell them to come.
I'm sorry they weren't here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they will have surely get it, bro.
Of course, with all them box the way you get.
Oh my
On your left jaw and the right jaw over
20
your
bucks.
Oh.
Kino, hold on. Let me show you something on the phone here, bro.
More box.
Some people watch me upon the program. This is what they gave me yesterday. That's why I go shopping today.
Alright, boy, Mitchum the amount of box him get 20 bucks, 5 bucks.
Gosh.
So I have to ask him, which side I'm trying to get the box in front. Him say, no, it's the money box.
Oh my. Take a look at these donors.
Jeez.
People who saw me on Kino program, they gave me these pounds yesterday.
Oh, it's a pounds and pounds.
Yeah, so I go shopping today.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's a shopping today.
Oh my, and we buy an electric kettle too.
Oh,
2005.
like Ghana. Yeah. So you get all them 20 pounds there.
Oh my
No
God.
box today.
Because like, when me did helping the folks, me only hear one of the women say, calm down. Oh, like when I say, Kino, you don't know who is this? So I said, oh, from my ear, she said, so I said, oh, you saw me and the gym. She said, and everybody started screaming.
Yeah.
So like, when we done help them, one virgin give me 20 pounds, next one give me 20 pounds, and the lady gave me 20 pounds.
Jeez.
Yeah, so the first thing from I get it Kino, I say, I'm gonna go shopping today. And then the chestnut jar, I saw it today, Kino. It's a 9 jar.
So you take a buy next?
Yeah, when I get the partner. But Lico say, you have to come, can't forget it more, cause it's, I think they say it's 35,000.
Oh.
They want to get it for less.
Yeah, when Kino go down there, I get it for less price.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very beautiful, bruh.
Well, it's not beautiful, it's
When you
beautiful.
chop it in the cottage,
Jeez.
and you come video around there, and the donors them side. Oh my gosh.
Pop.
Beautiful, you know, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Pop style.
If they're gonna love it, bro. Oh my gosh. So when you came around there and video around there, this is supposed to say, but calm down.
Calm down.
That's not Color's Cottage in TrenchTown.
No.
Yeah, you want to see around there right now, bro?
Yeah. Me don't want to spoil the moment.
I know.
Come on,
I
wait till
didn't
it-
want to go around there now.
Yeah.
I was just suggesting something. So you want to see around there now.
Yeah, I don't.
And then I think we launched some curtain this morning. But literally, your aunt's supposed to come get them up from me, but she went sleeping, so she gonna come and get them in the morning.
Yeah. In the morning, everything is fresh.
Yeah, man. I said, Kino, man. Do fresh. Donuts. Oh, me can't stop talking about you people. You know who me just remember? Kino, guess. Stephanie. London. Who sent me the couch? Pick up Stephanie. Colors love you. You know that?
Yeah.
And down on some Miami, New York, Canada, Toronto.
Yeah.
All over the globe. Yeah. Colors love you now.
Everything.
You know that to do?
Yeah.
Colors love you now, man. But more while donuts, why you people don't see me? When Kino is here, the way the jacuzzi bed is so comfortable around there.
Still
When I'm in it, oh my God, alone sleeping. So I can't get up. I can't wake up, man. Chocolate coming around there banging on the door. And I heard them. And I ain't answered nobody.
Hey, say chocolate them banging down the door.
Around there more while banging down the door. It's not Juki them calling.
Yeah,
I ain't
Colors.
getting up out of
Colors
the
in there.
Nah, I ain't getting up, bro.
Alright then, so you gotta tell your fans them and the donors them say you're gonna sign off now.
Well, donors, it's getting very dark. So guess what? I think you folks gonna see me in the morrows.
Oh.
So for now, I'm signing out. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm out. Yeah.
They say whoa.
Yeah, man.
Ready now. Ready.
Yeah, man, ready up, you know, man, prop up, you know. Yeah, man, see that? Yeah, man, because when I fry them to Chris, because I fry them to Chris, you get a Chris crop. Chris, you know?
So you want to have a soft
Yeah.
quiet
I
sound.
check that one out. You see, watch it. They find them both Chris, you see it? You get a, you know, one side Chris and one side have a look at Miley, you see me I say?
Yeah.
So the look at Chris party, you can tease it, and the next look at Sam, you just go, nah man.
Nah man.
Yeah man, you see me I say?
No worry about noise.
Yeah, they plant them and I put them in the skin and crush them out like, them well cut and organized. Yeah, them well cut and organized, so you don't need to crush them and squeeze them up so the work organized.
Yeah.
So the yellow art planting, green planting, yellow art. So yeah man. I'm not born in a country, I'm not grow up, but I know. I work in a country.
Yellow art. Here are people you have yellow art planting.
Yeah man. Yeah.
And white art planting.
Yeah, because it's the longer one them. Like so I have short planting too, you know. You know that. You have short planting, I have long one. The long one them are the yellow art. They come to look one them now, they can see the whiteness in them. Yeah, see people man. Yeah, see people come cut them up a weekend again. Yeah. So, yeah man, so see a good look. I'm like to plate and put them one side and put the mackerel one side and thing. And I'm going to say, whoa. Look, you know, vegetable on the one side, some carrot and rare.
Yeah. Whoa.
The side, you know.
Whoa.
Yeah man, you see me I say. So, now see the 100 I go on man.
Yeah.
It's a good look man.
Alright then. Whoa.
It's a good look man.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.